Hey, what's going on, Trend Watchers? Today is October the 4th, 2021. And on today's video, I wanted everyone to get a small snippet of a stock price prediction that Stock Mode wanted to do for NIO. He wanted to try to give his price prediction as to where NIO would be or when will it hit $100 per share. So I wanted to come in and let's do an update. Let's look back to see what the price in NIO has done in regards to his price prediction, right? And then from there, we'll talk about what our expectations are in regards to where NIO is going to go in the future. So if you guys want to join me, make sure you all tap into this particular YouTube channel. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. So now check this out real quick. You all can visually see that this particular video was uploaded to YouTube on February the 16th, 2021. Okay. Now, 115,000 people saw this video, of which 5.2 thousand people liked the video, meaning that they was really anticipating what he had to say regarding when will NIO stock price hit $100 per share. I think if you all were to go and listen to this video, you might be surprised as to how bullish he was regarding when will NIO hit $100 per share. Now, obviously, here we are, October the 4th, 2021, towards the ending of 2021. And the price in NIO, you guys can see on the top left side of my screen, is around $34. So it kind of seems as if the market is less likely to hit $100 per share anytime soon. Cool, we get that. But let's just see what he said on this particular video. And then we're going to look at the price chart to see where we're looking for the market to go in NIO in the future. So let's take a listen real quick.
Here. When is it going to hit $100 a share? Let's take a look at this real quick, just because I know people are wondering. So I do think it's going to hit it, and I think there's a good shot of getting to 90 to 100 by the end of this year. And
did you hear that? By the end of this year, 2021, he said that there was a good shot for NIO to hit $100 per share, right? Did you hear that? Let's play that again. Let's just see.
Here. When is it going to hit $100 a share? Let's take a look at this real quick, just because I know people are wondering. So I do think it's going to hit it, and I think there's a good shot of getting to 90 to 100 by the end of this year. And right now, that would mean that this would have to go up about 60 to 70% from current price. And I do think there's a good possible chance of that happening, depending on what announcements are coming out.
He thinks it's a good possibility of NIO stock price hitting $100 per share, depending on the type of announcements that come out. So is he giving us his price predictions based off the type of news that come out? That's odd, because you will always be playing behind the game when you're anticipating the type of news to come out. The market already moves way before the news announcements come out. We all need to realize and understand that. By the time the news hits the wire, by the time the news comes out and you read about it, those who have already positioned themselves to capitalize on the news are already in position. So it does not benefit us to wait on type of news events, announcements to come out for these particular stock companies. By the time the news come out, you are already late. It is already late to react. The market would have already moved 20, 30% in that favored direction. We have to be forward predictors. We have to think ahead of the game way before the market comes out. But in that small clip, you guys just heard him say, depending on the type of announcements that come out for 2021 in NIO's particular situation. Now, when this video was uploaded to YouTube back in February, the price was at $59.85. That was a 60 to 70% increase from there for the price to hit $100 per share. Well, now the market price in NIO is $34.13. So obviously it's going to be a lot more in percentage gains for the market to hit $100 per share. So check this out. Let's continue to listen.
You can see the trend going higher. I think that continues. I think we're going to see another pop here, taking it up. If you look at this pop, it was a 50% pop. I think you could see another 50% pop very soon. And I'm thinking Q2, Q3. I do think.
So in Q2, Q3, that is from April to June. That was the second quarter. And then the third quarter was from July to September. Well, we're in October now. So he was looking for that 50% pop to occur in the second quarter. Didn't happen. In the third quarter, didn't happen. So when are you expecting the market to hit $100 per share? Let's listen.
That's going to happen. And even if it doesn't, even if it doesn't, I'm feeling so confident that $100 a share will be achieved by the end of 2022 at the latest. Here,
there you are. At the latest. So he has until 2022 at the latest for NIO stock price to hit $100 per share, because obviously it's not going to hit $100 per share by the end of this year. He was looking for a lot of positive announcements to come out to spur the increase in price in NIO. But what about if the market doesn't give you positive announcements or positive news catalysts? What do you do then? Because this video was pretty much a pump for NIO stock price, because he was looking for the price to hit $100 per share real soon, right? He said in the second quarter, third quarter, and obviously that did not happen. So he is still confident though that NIO stock price is going to hit $100 per share by the end of 2022. Now, again, he has a very long time for the market to hit $100 per share in NIO. So let's take a look at the price chart real quick, because that market, or this video was posted to YouTube on February the 16th, right? Take a look right here. Okay, so if we were to look at the market price in NIO, okay, if we were to look at the market price in NIO on February the 16th, you guys can see that the close was right there around $59.29, right? You guys can see that currently the price in NIO is around $33.97, which is a decrease about 42% already that we've lost since that video was posted on YouTube. Okay, now you can see here, even on the 3 months time frame, I want to show you what the 3 months time frame looked like in NIO. Take a look at this. Now, this is extremely weakness. This is extreme weakness that we're seeing on the 3 months time frame. I'm not bullish at all into the market in NIO. The only thing that can continue to prop up this price, I want everyone to see this, everyone, is this number right here, $32. As we go out the next 3 months towards the end of this year and the price in NIO breaks $32 to the downside, I want you all to realize that $100 per share is going to become less and less likely in NIO. This market so far over the last 9 months is extreme weakness, extreme weakness. The only thing that we can see that will give us the ability to see NIO price to hit $100 per share is we continue to see this market hold $32. So make sure you all keep your eyes open on $32. I'm here to tell you that right now, because as we go throughout the rest of 2021, October, November, and December, and price in NIO breaks $32, understand we're going to come all the way back down to possibly even $20, right? $20 per share in NIO. Now, can the market hit $100 throughout the rest of 2022? Of course it can. But as of right now, we're not looking for NIO stock price to hit $100 throughout 2021. Not as what Stock Mode was anticipating it to do soon in the second quarter and third quarter of this year. We're not looking for NIO's price to hit $100 yet. It's not even on the horizon for this price to hit $100. Not yet. We haven't seen a change in tone into the market that will reflect that NIO stock is about to go up right now. We're not seeing it. So I'm telling everyone right now who listens to my voice, who is viewing this video, $32 is it. Okay, if we're able to see more strength coming to the market in NIO at $32, then we have found the bottom. That is where price is going to stop, and we're going to start to see a resumption to higher prices. But currently, the market in NIO is showing us a lot of weakness. Okay, so looking at the price right now in NIO, because when the market in NIO was trading at $59, right, he was telling us that there was about like another 60%, 50% move for the price to hit $100, right? Let's see. So that's about 68% for us to move back when that video was posted on YouTube for NIO to hit $100 per share, 68.68% give or take, right? But now let's see the market right now. Let's take a look. Let me get rid of this and let's do a percentage gain that the market would have to increase in NIO from where the market is trading now. Okay, the market would have to increase 193% now just for us to hit $100 per share. Let's say that the price in NIO does come down to $20. Let's just say it does. Okay, let me do this. let's say the price in NIO does come down to around $22, right? For the market to hit $100 throughout 2022, it's going to have to increase 343% increase. Okay. Now, just for us to break even from where price is right now in NIO, the market would have to increase from February the 16th, 75% from where we are at today. The market would have to increase another 75% just for us to break even from where price was in February. This market in NIO is extremely bearish as of this particular moment. So be very careful of the information you all get from these YouTubers. It makes you all question as to why every video that they come out with that is always a buy. They never give you the videos that this market is a sell. They never tell you when they're looking for prices to go down. We're one of the only places on YouTube that is going to give you that perception. We all need to anticipate and play both sides of the market. When you just see one side of the market, you will get caught in some very bad positions, because I would not be surprised of individuals who believed in stock mode back in February of anticipating the market in NIO to hit $100 real soon. And I put that in quotations, real soon. But here we are towards the end of 2021 and the price went the opposite direction. And again, you guys can see from our current prediction in NIO that we're looking for the market to go down. And we're looking for it to come down to $32 at least for us to see some support come through, right? So again, I just wanted to come in, do a look back on what Stock Mode said regarding NIO stock price hitting $100 per share, because it doesn't look feasible for 2021 for the stock price to hit $100 per share. Now, maybe in 2022, yes, there is enough days, trading days available for this market in NIO to hit $100 per share throughout 2022. Now, of course, you all are going to say that Stock Mode is a long-term investor, that he doesn't look for the market to move relatively soon. But you guys heard from his own voice that he was looking for NIO to hit $100 per share real soon, in the second quarter, in the third quarter. That is real soon. So you guys can miss me with all of this long-term investor when he completely told you all that he was predicting NIO's price to hit $100 per share in the second, in the third quarters, right? But it didn't do it. So now, ask yourself the question, why is he doing videos of NIO every day if he's a long-term investor? If he's looking for NIO price to go to $100 by the end of 2022, then why does he need to come in and do a video every other day about NIO? Just ask yourself the question, what is he really in this for? Is he in this for you? Or is he in this for himself? I think you all will understand that many YouTubers are in this space because of what YouTube is doing for them, and not necessarily for you. Just keep that in mind as you guys continue to watch these stock YouTubers here on this particular channel. So now, we're looking for the price in NIO to continue to go down. Okay, $32 first, and definitely we really need to be paying massive amount of attention in NIO's price as it comes down to 32, because for us to see $100, we need to see the market hold 32 first. So as this price continues to go down in NIO, as what we're predicting, we definitely need to keep our eyes open on $32, because if we break that to the downside, I'm here to tell you already, the market's going to go a lot lower. And I'm here to tell you, I think on our last video, matter of fact, I want you all to see this. Okay, do you see this? There's a gap that occurred in the market in NIO from October the 13th to October the 14th of 2020. There's a gap there. And usually the market doesn't like gaps. It likes to have a space between there's a market. So throughout the duration of when NIO was traded on the New York Stock Exchange, there hasn't been any trades at all right here in between this gap. The stock don't like that. The market doesn't like gaps. So usually it tries to come back down and fill it to where it creates a market. That is his whole purpose, to make sure that he has a market. And right now there's no market in between $24 and the highs that came in on October the 13th, 2020, $21.22. I mean, 97 cents. There's a massive gap, and he's going to try to come back and fill it. So I think you all want to be a little bit aware of that as well too. Now he's not going to mention that to you, but he's going to continue to come in and buy these dips into the market in NIO, when in fact we're still seeing that this market is weak from our perspective. Now it's up to you. It's your choice. You do what you do, right? We simply here are just predicting where we're looking for the price to go, right? I know you guys may be fans of StockMo, but in the end, we need to make sure that we hold these people accountable in regards to what they say, right? And what their expectations are. Because a lot of people, even though they try to tell us that they're not giving financial advice, you pretty much are when you're telling us what your predictions are in regards to where price is going to go, right? You're trying to let us know, give us a heads up as to what you're looking forward to. And if anything changes, cool. Just come back and let the people know that your original prediction that you was talking about back in February, I've changed it. I'm seeing a different mood occur into the market. There's nothing wrong with adjusting your price targets, nothing. But you kind of leave your subscribers, your viewers hanging when you don't come back and say, yeah, I kind of missed this one. Let me go ahead and readjust my price target. I'm looking for the market in NIO to now hit this point, right? All of these financial analysts, they do the same thing. They come out periodically and adjust their price targets. They do upgrades, they do downgrades all the time. But why not these YouTubers? Why don't they come back and say, okay, cool, I adjusted my price target. I was looking for the market to come here. I'm seeing it different now. I'm looking for it to go here now, right? Just start doing that. And then I think a lot of people will start to see you in a different light. Nobody's expecting these YouTubers, including myself, to get all of our predictions correct. We're not. But at least show us what you did, what your expectations were, and then come back and say, all right, cool, I missed it. I didn't get it right. This is where I got it wrong. Let me go ahead and show you what I'm looking forward to now. It just kind of gives us a little bit more transparency, right? A lot of these YouTubers just want to come in and show you the good plays, show you the plays that went right, show you the predictions that went the correct direction, right? But they never come back and show you all the plays that went wrong, as if they're not fallible. Everyone is prone to making incorrect predictions. Just fess up. That's it, right? That's all. So I wanted to come in, show you all this quick video about the price prediction that StockMo wanted to do. His $100 price prediction that he was looking forward to back in February of when it's going to hit it. And currently, from our perspective, we're not looking forward to it right now. It's not even on the horizon for us to even speak about $100 in NIO shares right now. First, we need to see the price grab support. Okay. First area that we're looking for that to happen is at 32. Next area, it's going to be all the way down here towards $22 or 24. Just saying. All right, so that's it. Make sure you all maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.